These are the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Let's take a look at the top new features. The first new feature is part of the redesigned case. Now, Apple includes a lanyard anchor on the side of the case. That way you can attach any lanyard or carabiner of your choice to always have your AirPods Pro nearby. Clip them onto the side of your bag, onto a belt loop, or anything else to keep them handy. Number 2 on the list is new smaller ear tips. Apple includes a new extra small size for the ear tips inside the box with the AirPods Pro 2. This will allow more people to find that perfect fit on the 2nd generation noise canceling earbuds. You can still buy these on the aftermarket if you wanted to try to fit them with your original AirPods Pro, but Apple says technically they don't fit, though we tried them and they seem to work just fine. Number 3 on the list is newfound volume control. For the first time, you can control the volume of your AirPods Pro from the earbuds themselves. No need to use your Apple Watch or your iPhone. Simply run your finger up or down the little stems and that will increase or decrease the volume. This joins the other controls such as squeezing to change different ANC modes and control playback. Number 4 on the list is improved ANC. Apple has improved the noise canceling capabilities of the 2nd generation's AirPod Pro. Thanks to, in part, a new driver and the H2 chip, Apple can promise up to twice as good noise cancellation on the new AirPods Pro. Looking once more at the charging case, Apple has built in precision Find My abilities. Apple has a new U1 chip included inside of the MagSafe charging case, and it also has a built-in speaker. This allows you to more precisely use the Find My app to locate your AirPods Pro. And when tracking them down, you can use the speaker so the case itself can make a noise and not just the earbuds. That brings us to longer battery life. Apple now promises up to 6 hours of battery life on a single charge on the new AirPods Pro. The previous generation was only getting about 4.5 hours, maybe 5 with ANC turned off, so any improvements to battery life is definitely welcomed. Next is adaptive transparency mode. Transparency mode has been a hallmark of AirPods Pro since they launched, and it allows you to hear your surroundings. But with the new AirPods Pro 2, this will also decrease the volume of loud external noises. Power tools, a siren, a train going by, anything that is exceptionally loud will be decreased in your ear, so you can still have transparency mode on, hear what's going on around you, but you don't have to get blasted by these very loud noises that are happening. Let's talk about the H2 chip. Apple's own custom H2 silicon is what drives AirPods Pro 2. There's one located inside of each earbud, and with this chip, you're getting that better battery life, better spatial audio, improved ANC, and improved sounding audio, all thanks to this new wireless chip. Plus, these communicate over Bluetooth 5.3 instead of Bluetooth 5.0. Then we have the improvements to the microphone. Apple has a redesigned inward-facing microphone. Apple uses this combined with voice enhancement algorithms that will recognize and articulate your voice. Combined with everything together, you're going to have more natural sounding tone when you're on a phone call or taking video calls. Charging. Charging is definitely improved here on the AirPods Pro 2. Not only can you use Lightning, Qi, or MagSafe, which you could all use with the previous versions of the AirPods Pro, but AirPods Pro 2 also can be charged using a standard Apple Watch charging puck. Just place it down on the puck and it can start charging. You don't have to bring a dedicated charger if you have one for your Apple Watch already with you. Another little known new feature is the improved skin detection sensor. Apple first debuted this upgraded sensor with the 3rd generation AirPods, and now it's available on the 2nd generation AirPods Pro. This is what tells the AirPods to play or pause music based on whether or not they're in your ears. And that 1st generation sensor was finicky. It wasn't that reliable and could get inadvertently triggered just by putting earpods in your pocket. Finally, let's talk about the Emoji Customization. When buying your AirPods Pro 2, you can customize it with letters or different emoji characters. And what's really neat is when you go to pair your AirPods Pro 2 and you bring it near your iPhone and you open it up, you'll see the little animation come on screen. And it will even match the emoji or characters that you've put on your customized AirPods Pro case. This is so cool, and I love that you were able to customize it, and this on-screen graphic will match exactly your own pair of AirPods Pro.